Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to disable contacts access in the Duolingo app. If you want to keep your contacts private and prevent Duolingo from syncing your phone contacts, this guide will help you do that quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the profile icon. Then, on the top right, tap on the settings icon. After that, scroll down and find the section labeled Social Accounts. Finally, you will see an option for contacts. To disable access, simply turn off. This will stop Duolingo from accessing your phone's contacts. Finally, go back by tapping the back arrow and be sure to click Done at the top right corner to save your changes. This will stop Duolingo from accessing your phone's contacts. Follow these simple steps anytime you want to control app permissions on your phone. Thanks for watching.